How do you allocate your commodities properly? And by commodities, I mean the three fundamentals, the three pillars of life, which are time, money, and health. And all those three blended in the right way will lead to happiness. So how happy are you? How well are you blending those commodities together? Now imagine for a moment if you've got one of those way out of kilter. If you've got money and time together, that's fantastic. But if we're missing out on health, it's another issue. If we've got health and time, but no money, maybe that's the best outcome. But then if we've got money and health, but no time, again, that's a little bit pointless. So it's really important, as you can see already, to blend these properly. I was working with a client who had all the money, significant amounts of income. Health was moderate, he had no time. And time as in time in his day. And because of that, he was really stressed and his health was failing. And so in pursuit of one commodity, money, the other two were then starting to take a back seat. So by working with him, what we've now managed to do is realign his thoughts, understand that he can sacrifice some of that money for some more time, which will lead to more health. So everything is like a movable feast, but when we get that sweet spot in the middle of the right balance between time, money and health, that is where happiness lies. There's a reflection for you to think, where do you sit now on the scale of time, money and health? And where would you like to be on the scale of time, money and health? Is it well balanced? Or is there a massive skew? Are you spending all your time earning money, giving yourself no time, and your health is suffering? Or is your health already suffering, which means you've got plenty of time, but you're not able to earn money? Or have you no time at all, which means you don't find yourself able to improve your health? So it's a huge mismatch here in quite a lot of cases. So don't be like my client who had all the money all the time, but her health had failed. And don't be like other clients that I've got, where they've got plenty of money and they're in continual pursuit of it, but they don't have the time and their health could suffer. So get the commodities right, look after those three pillars, and find freedom.